Good evening, everybody. It is 5 o'clock here. Actually, it is 6:39, but that press conference was super long. So today I am taking a little bit of a switch for whiskey, and we are making, by request from my friend Lindsay, to make a spicy margarita. Margarita is another super simple cocktail. It is tequila. It is sugar. It is lime juice. And then whatever else you add to it, it's a whatever margarita. So I'm going to make a very simple one based on the Tommy's Margarita out of Derek Brown's lovely book, Spirits, Sugar, Water, Bitters. Get it on Amazon if they're still delivering stuff, but still order it, and maybe it gets there. It gets there when it gets there. But, oh yeah, I have from those of you who know that I cut part of my thumb off on Saturday, protection. So, okay, so let's get this started. That I had a lot of jalapenos a few weeks ago that I used to make a jalapeno infused tequila. It's really easy to make infused spirits. You literally take the spirits, put stuff in it, and wait a little bit. You don't have to wait days or weeks or anything, like a couple hours. Just come back and taste it, because if you leave it in there too long, it might get really gross. So this one, I think I left in there, I did two 2 hours, and I just sliced them up and I just set them in there, strained them out, poured it back in the bottle. This is Cabo Wabo Tequila, Blanco, and jalapenos, labeled jalapeno. Okay, and we are going to take a shaker. I don't have a Boston shaker, no. Yes, I don't have a Boston shaker, and I need to get one. So I'm going to use this gorgeous one that Michter's, shout out to Michter's, gave me when I was there in Louisville. Be sure to check them out. So I'm taking this, and I'm going to be doing 2 ounces of tequila, this jalapeno tequila. If you want to make just a regular margarita, you can. You don't have to put jalapenos in it, but the request was for it, Spicy Margarita. Then I'm going to do 1 ounce. So I just realized that I've just put 3 ounces of tequila in there. Well, that's happening. And then 1 ounce of lime juice. And then I don't have agave nectar, so you can use regular sugar, but know that agave nectar is about 1.5 times sweeter than sucrose, so you just have to ratchet it up a little. I'm going to use my rich simple syrup, which is literally, I didn't get fancy with this. This is just like the whatever table sugar, white sugar that they sell at the store. And I'm going to do 1 ounce of it. If you want it a little bit sweeter, just means you need a little bit more sugar. Okay, so we have my sugar, we have tequila, we've got lime juice. Now we need ice. Now, we shake for 30 seconds. Magic of television, I'm not gonna make you do this, but I will show you the technique for shaking. Just push and pull, push and pull, push and pull, push and pull. You don't have to get all fancy. If you want to get fancy and you want to use a lot of energy because you've been sitting on your butt all day, that's fine. So hold up. 30 seconds has passed. So, oh, it's so cold and it kind of freezes together. Not magic of television. Crap, I don't want it to... Ugh. Yay. So what we're going to do is first I'm going to rim my glass. So what you're going to do to rim a glass, all you need is a little bit of citrus, and just kind of use the citrus just to kind of get a little bit on the outside. Now I'm going to use this cool margarita salt with Basque red chilies, spicy, from the lovely folks at Copper and Kings Distiller. I think you can probably get it online. And then you just take something, I have a takeout top, and you just roll that salt in there. Then I'm going to strain this. I'm gonna double strain this because there's a lot of bits of ice and lime in here. So I'm using, this is just a tea strainer that my roommate, Simran, former roommate, left, and it's just a little strainer. You don't need anything fancy. Then a Hawthorne strainer on top, and strain it into your glass. It is nice and cold. And then I would like to get a little bit fancy here with my garnish. So I've got a lime wheel. I have a slice of jalapeno, and then I have a little daisy. Margarita means daisy in Spanish. There you go. And daisies are edible flowers. So then I'm going to pop this onto the top here. So there we are. A spicy margarita for you, Lindsay. We have our salt on the back, our spicy salt, our wheel, our daisy. Salud. That went too long. Dance went too long. Thank you for watching today, and let me know what other cocktails you would like to watch me make, and we will be back tomorrow. Bye.